I'm Ambika Singh. I'm the Senior Manager Marketing at Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority and the Public Relations Officer for JN Port and Vadhavan Port. So welcome to our stall at India Maritime Week, which is an important event for the entire Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways and all the industry, the stakeholders, everyone under the maritime sector. And we are proud to be part of this important event. And I would like to take you through our stall which is as part of the India Maritime Week.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, this stall is celebrating the 36 years of JNPA. So, ma'am, tell us what are the key developments and the achievements of JNPA being highlighted during India Maritime Week 2025.
So, JN Port completed 36 years. We say that we are 36 years young port, and this journey has been incredible. That in 36 years, we have become India's largest container port by crossing 10 million TEU capacity. And also we have become India's best performing port, and in the recent Container Port Performance Index, we have been ranked #1 in India and globally 23rd. So we are not just the best performing port, but we are also India's largest container port, and we are proud to be part of this entire journey. And we are celebrating 36 years, and achieving this milestone is significant for us.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, if you talk about, in Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat, in what ways is JPN contributing to Make in India initiative and India's vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047?
So, JN Port is also developing Vadhavan Port. So, you can see the model of the upcoming mega port, which is the Vadhavan Port. So, this is going to be a mega port, and it would be among the world's top 10 global ports. It would be part of it has the potential of being in top 10 globally. So this will be having a capacity of around 23 million TEUs. So JN Port did 7.3 million TEUs last year, and this port, once it is ready, so first phase would be ready by 29 and second phase by 34. So once it is ready, this will be having capacity of 23.5 million TEUs capacity, and has the potential of being in the top 10 ports of the world.
Right, ma'am. So if we talk about the green initiatives and sustainability, what green initiatives and sustainability are underway to support India's clean and smart port vision?
Yes, I would like to take you through the sustainability side of our port. So JN Port is happy to have 1/3 of our cover is under green, and sustainability is at the core of all the activities of all our initiatives that we took. So we have achieved over 60% of our energy requirement is through green sources. One of my terminal PSA is completely 100% on green sources, and we have undertaken various initiatives. Last month only we inaugurated around a fleet of over 50 electric trucks with a battery swapping facility, and in the next 2 years we are going to stop all the diesel operated operations and equipment. So everything would be on a green fuel, which will be operating inside the operational area.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, if we talk about the final, the last question is that what sort of message that should go to the audience or platform about the India Maritime Week 2025?
India Maritime Week is a very important initiative and a platform for us, and also being part of this entire initiative right from the start and in all the activities. So best platform of being connected, not just in India but globally, where we could meet, interact with delegations from so many countries which have come here and participated at various conferences and meetings and various MOUs that we have signed with various organizations, and we are happy to be part of the India Maritime.